Hi friends. In this video, we intend to teach you how to make a TRC-20 withdrawal in the Videforex Broker. You are washing the weed part. You enter the desired amount. In this section, you select the currency you want, which is TRC-20 Tether for us. You copy your wallet address in this section. And after entering the wallet address, you click on Continue. In the next section, you choose your withdrawal type. In the first type, you need to have a turnover on the Videforex website. In the second type, you pay a 20% commission and then withdraw the desired amount. We choose the 20% commission, and after entering the code that was sent to your email, your withdrawal will be reviewed. You click on Sky. And friends, our withdrawal is under review. And to check your transactions, you go to your profile. You click on Transaction History. And in this section, you can see that our withdrawal is pending. As you can see, our TRC-20 withdrawal was successfully completed after 2 hours. Good luck!